Friends, in this video tutorial we discuss about the LCF ladder. We have to use the LCF ladder for multiple choices and we want to select one choice. I am explaining with an syntax of the LCF ladder as follows. I write here simply the if and then test condition 1. If the test condition 1 is true, then the statement 1 will be executed. If the test condition 1 is false, then the control will come into the else if part and check the test condition 2. If the test condition 2 is true, then the statement 2 will be executed. And if the test condition is false, 2 is false, then the control will come into this else if part and check the test condition 3. And if the test condition 3 is true, then the statement 3 will be executed. If the test condition 3 is false, then the control will come into the next else if part and check this condition and execute the statement. And you can write any number of else if condition according to your need. If all the conditions of the else if is false, on that case the control will come into the else part and simply print the default statement. And this is the syntax of the else if ladder. And in the next slide I am taking an example of the else if ladder, and simply you look here, I am including the header file studio.h and conio.h and then main function. Within the main function I am declaring here the I variable and using the data type as an int. And in the next line I am using the printf function to print the message enter the number onto the screen. And when the user enters the number, this value is stored into the I variable using the scanf function. And in the next line I am giving here the if condition and comparing. If the value of I is equals to 1, then the condition is true, and the printf function print the message Monday onto the screen. If the condition is false, then control will come into the else if part and compare the value of I with the 2. If the value of I is 2, then the condition is true, and this printf function print the Tuesday onto the screen. And if the condition is false, then come into the next else if part and compare with the number 3. And if the condition is true, then the printf function print the Wednesday onto the screen. And if the condition is false, then the control will come to the next else if part and check the next condition, value of I equals to 4. And if the condition is true, then the Thursday will be print onto the screen. And if the condition is false, then the control will come into the next else if part and check the condition of I as a 5. And if the value of I equals to 5, then print the Friday. And if the condition is false, then control will come into the next else if part and check, compare with the I with the 6. And if condition is true, then the Saturday will be printed onto the screen using the printf function. And if all these conditions are false, then the control will come into the else part and print the message wrong choice onto the screen using the printf function. And simply at the last I am calling the getCS function, and main function braces will be closed here. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, and please comment on my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.